Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is my sultry fall look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment and subscribe. So today I'm using PO.BOX's Hot Toddy palette, and it actually came broken, but I'm like, you know what, I'm still gonna go ahead and use it. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna use the darker shade on that palette and apply this right onto my crease. I kind of wanted to do simple looks because honestly I've been digging the simple makeup looks lately, and honestly it's like I don't have the time, especially with all these teenagers that I have now. It's like impossible for me to like take my sweetest time doing my makeup. So I wanted to do something really quick but yet look like I did take my time doing it. So I'm just gonna go back and blend everything out, make sure that everything is really nice and blended. And I did use a pink shade from that palette. It was like it's supposed to be like a blush, but yeah, anyways. So then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. As you guys can see, I didn't use any foundation or concealer or anything to kind of define it. You can definitely go back and do that, but I kind of was like, you know what, I want to do something that is not so hard. It's just easy that you can do with eyeshadow, and let's get the hell out. So that's what I did. So I'm just gonna go back and just kind of apply it, make sure that it's defined a little bit just with the shadow. Then I'm gonna go with the darker shade again and apply this right into the outer corner of my eye, just to kind of give it a little bit of definition, and it doesn't look like I just stopped the eyeshadow, and you know. So just gonna go ahead and do that, as you guys can see. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and clean out some fallout. Then when in doubt, just apply glitter. I wanted to apply a little bit of glitter. This is like a great makeup look for like Thanksgiving, I feel. So I'll probably put something like my Thanksgiving makeup look or something, because definitely this is gonna be like one of the go-to looks for Thanksgiving for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna go back and apply a little bit of more of that glitter into the crease because I felt like I needed a little bit more of that glitter. And so yeah, moving on. Like I said, this look is so simple. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. So these lashes that I'm applying are from Amazon. I do have them on my storefront. I will list them down below for you guys if you guys are interested in getting these lashes. Alright, after applying my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead. Sorry, I'm a little sicky poo poo, like I'm getting a cold or something. I don't know. I'm gonna go apply that same dark shadow onto the bottom lash line lightly, just to kind of blend everything in. So I'm just basically doing the same thing I did on top. I'm gonna do at the bottom, the same with that pinky shadow. I'm gonna use that to blend everything. Then I'm going with a dark brown eyeliner, just to kind of make my look a little bit more smoky and make my eye color pop a little bit. I feel like brown shadows make my green eyes pop a little bit more. So yeah, that's what I went ahead and did. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to the top and bottom lashes. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some setting spray. For my lip color, I did use Crush from Morphe. I used Noble from Kat Von D, and then I used a little bit of Virgin from Morphe. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my other social medias where I do usually post all my makeup tutorials on there. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.